I'm speculating that this is still remnants of possibly the old Bluebird.
Yes.
The old Bluebird special that run out of Waterville to Grand Rapids.
Hey, Jack's letting me use his camera, which is very cool of him, because of course, my Sony, the battery likes to be a terrible nightmare and die.
Well, I'd certainly like to get down through here, but this is just a little taste of what Ben and I had discussed.
That's a minute up.
Now, I am going to try and brave some of these weeds to get down here. Do a little brush busting. Yes, sir. That's a little bit of oomph and oomph. Yeah, we got a little keep out. I don't see anything that says keep off. I don't know if I want to really go too much further. These are more raspberry bushes. I mean, this is what we're in, guys. This is a lot of thick stuff.
Oh, there's another one over there. Right there. On the window.
Yeah, I definitely don't think they want you in here.
No.
But they still didn't say keep off.
Right, that's why I didn't open the door over there. You couldn't get in there, actually.
Yeah.
It's too visible to the road.
Yeah, all of this, look how thick that is. There's really no area to get to even get a good still shot.
Oh no, this is a nightmare. This is a nightmare in here. Lots more trains across the road. Hopefully they have a little bit less. That's typical.
Okay, this is what the inside of a caboose looks like in an irregular condition. This has obviously been sitting here for some time. It's been vandalized. The roof is gone. I'm not going to climb back up in there.
No trespass.
But coming into view, this is definitely an engine from the Bluebird special. Used to be a really big thing.
There's some target practice in the window there.
Holy cow, yeah.
Oh,
Let's see if I can't get a zoom in on that.
Yep.
Oh yeah. I don't understand how people can treat our history this way. That's just my own thought. I don't understand people's behavior.
No, terrible. Wow.
This looks like one of the passenger cars from the Bluebird line.
Look at the signs there, danger.
I'd believe it. But look at the row of windows. No, go right ahead. But this is one of the passenger cars. The blue is rusted off. There was a push one time to restore the Bluebird and to put it back into service.
Right.
I think we're beyond that now, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Just sitting back there rotting away. What a shame. Yeah, this was quite a thing. There'd people bring families on a Sunday or a Saturday. Groups. It was a public outing. It was a special thing to do, and it's gone away. Like it's so many things now, it's gone away. That's a shame.
This car is so overgrown and deep in the overgrown. It's hard to even see it. There's a flat car right there.
Yeah, there it is.
Trying to barely see it.
Alright. Well guys, I'm going to shut down. I'm going to try and get some still shots while we still have some bit of light. Looks like the sun's going to break maybe for a second or two. But anyhow, again, this is Jack. I'm with Ben. Say goodbye, Ben.
See ya!
And we really hope we can cross paths with you sometime. So for today, we're done roving.